Time paradox. Why the past might be impossible to change. Intro 00. We've all had moments we wish we could go back and change. A missed opportunity, a wrong decision, a regret that keeps us up at night. But what if I told you that even with a time machine, you might not be able to change anything at all? The dream of changing the past, 020. It's a staple of science fiction. Travel back in time, make one small change, and return to a completely different present. Step on a butterfly in the past, and the entire future transforms. But physics suggests reality might work very differently. The Bootstrap Problem, 040. Here's where it gets strange. Let's say you travel back to give Shakespeare the complete works of Shakespeare. He copies them, publishes them, and becomes famous. Centuries later, you read those plays, memorize them, and take them back to Shakespeare. But wait, where did the plays actually come from? Not from Shakespeare, he copied them from you. Not from you, you got them from Shakespeare. They exist in a closed loop with no origin, information from nowhere. The self-consistency principle, 115. Physicist Igor Novikov proposed something radical. The universe might enforce its own consistency. If you try to change the past, reality itself conspires against you. You go back to prevent a famous assassination. Your gun misfires. You try to warn someone, but they don't speak your language. You attempt to destroy a crucial document, but you accidentally drop it where it was found in the first place. Every action you take either fails or becomes part of the timeline that already existed. The billiard ball paradox, 150. Physicists tested this with a thought experiment. Imagine a billiard ball that travels through a wormhole and emerges in the past, positioned to collide with its earlier self and prevent itself from entering the wormhole. The math showed something fascinating. There are multiple self-consistent paths the ball could take. It might graze its past self at just the right angle. It might create a wobble that still allows entry. But there is no solution where the ball completely prevents its own journey. The universe has rules. Why this matters, 225. This isn't just about time travel. It's about the fundamental structure of reality. If the past can't be changed, then everything that happened was always going to happen exactly that way. Cause and effect form an unbreakable chain. Your attempts to change history don't rewrite the timeline. They are the timeline. They always were. You were always going to go back. You were always going to try. And you were always going to fail or succeed in exactly the way that led to the present you came from. The philosophical twist, 3 o'clock. So maybe we've been thinking about time travel all wrong. It's not about changing the past. It's about discovering that the past is unchangeable because we're part of a consistent, causally connected universe. Every effect has a cause. Every cause has an effect. And the loop cannot be broken. Conclusion, 320. The past might be impossible to change, not because of the limits of technology, but because of the laws of logic itself. And maybe that's oddly comforting. It means reality makes sense. It means the universe follows rules, even if those rules are stranger than we ever imagined. End 340.